Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents. You can either tap on the button with the square icon if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, or swipe your finger from the bottom to the center like that if you've got the gestures. And here we've got the recents. If you want to, you can of course close them manually one by one just by swiping them to the right or to the left. But if you want to close all, simply tap on this X button right in the middle. And after entering the recents, you can see that we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.